Some of you have seen this farm grow from just chicks to now full growing layers. We've had to move them through a couple of structures so that as they grow, they need more aeration, which is important for them to continue to lay and produce adequately without having many diseases. And cleaning is also important. You're going to see the house has been transformed, and we have now a water system to collect water, so there is less wastage. That also saves money in the long run, so we don't have to continue to buy and pay for extra water. This is a new structure as well for brooding and incubation, just to make it more efficient. And another structure which eventually leads into growing of crops. You see cassava, you see bananas, there is sugarcane right there, there is mango trees, um, more bananas, and from the fertilizer that we get from the farm, it is being used into the farm to make sure that everything continues to feed itself. You see, we have a bit of elephant grass there. We have some other workers continuing to expand the area. Kale, most of you know it as sukuma wiki. Very common in Uganda, very delicious. A mango tree in the back, and so it's going to be huge in perspective to what is grown, what we have, the animals. There is also pigs that I have in a couple of other videos, and just continuous growth. Any ideas, please feel free to add on, message me.